Hey folks, Gardner here. Day 23 since Achilles tendon surgery, and hey, we're back in the woods, and it's early September. It's absolutely beautiful, and we're thinking our maitake tree might be showing some maitakes, so we're heading there now, so we'll go check it out. Okay folks, we haven't gotten to the maitake tree yet. We stopped off at our chanterelle spot. We got a small little chanterelle patch, and I've already spotted one right down here. How exciting. Oh, beautiful, smooth chanterelle. Might check around and see if we can find a couple more chanterelles, but check on our maitake spot. Okay folks, this has got to be the freshest, most beautiful chicken of the woods that I've ever found. I mean, it is just fresh, beautiful. That other chicken was really way far gone. You know, it would be kind of dry and tough. But this is absolutely fresh. So I pick us some chicken of the woods. Okay folks, well, we made it to the maitake tree, but the maitake is not here. So it's a little early, which I was kind of suspecting, but a lot of people have been finding maitakes already. So wanted to check, and but we will be back. Maybe 3 or 4 weeks. We get some cooler, wetter weather, and this maitake tree will definitely produce some maitakes. But oh, had a good find there, that beautiful chicken of the woods. So yeah, thinking we'll go home and cook that up. So.